Game publishers today primarily distribute their games through app stores and third-party channels, but these often prevent direct communication with players. Publishers can create a direct-to-player channel by streaming their games, but that requires building their own infrastructure, which is costly and technically challenging. Amazon GameLift Streams solves this, empowering you to deliver real-time game streaming experiences at 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second. Players can now game on any browser-enabled device in real time, turning all kinds of screens into powerful gaming machines. Using AWS technology, Amazon GameLift Streams offers instant play without needing to download any large files, and helps you create instant-on demos, securely distribute test builds, and launch online virtual gaming worlds. Stream your games on one of the 3 supported game runtimes and meet your price performance needs. You don't have to modify your game code either. Just upload it and we take care of the rest. You can also engage more players directly with new distribution channels, stream games or tutorials, and create a storefront to reach players with new and back catalogue of titles. Grow your audience today with Amazon GameLift Streams.